Hi everyone, and welcome to your latest news update from eVTOL Insights on Tuesday, August the 1st. Skyports Drone Services has today announced Speedbird Aero as the latest aircraft partner to join its world-class drone fleet. The Brazilian drone manufacturer will now be an aircraft partner for Skyports' Orkney I-Port operation, a drone delivery project on the archipelago near Scotland, which was established in partnership with Royal Mail, Orkney Island's Council Harbour Authority, and Loganair. Speedbird Aero will provide its DLV-2 aircraft for Skyports Drone Services global delivery and logistics projects, starting with 3 months of inter-island delivery flights for Royal Mail for the Orkney I-Port project. The electric multirotor DLV-2 drone, which has a payload capacity of 6 kilograms and a range of up to 16 kilometers, was selected as vehicle of choice for the Orkney I-Port project due to its large payload volume, which makes it well suited to carrying cargo, such as Royal Mail parcels. First deliveries were completed in July this year and will continue until October. The aircraft is also equipped with a parachute. The weather and geography of Orkney impacts their ability for Royal Mail to provide an uninterrupted delivery service for its residents, and pauses in the ferry schedule, by which some mail is transported, are common during poor weather due to the challenges of docking safely. The DLV-2 aircraft was also selected due to its ability to fly in weather conditions that exceed the upper limits of the Orkney Inter-Island Ferry. In addition to the Orkney I-Port project, the DLV-2 will be deployed on logistics and delivery projects across Skyports Drone Services markets. The I-Port is one of the 9 winning projects of the Freight Innovation Fund Accelerator, a program funded by the UK's Department for Transport and delivered by the Connected Places Catapult to support innovators with grant funding and business advice. Skyports received £150,000 of grant funding to test Orkney I-Port operation as a part of the program. Thanks so much for watching. You can keep up to date with the latest industry developments by visiting our website, which is displayed on the screen. You can also join our dedicated WhatsApp and Signal news channels and follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter.